Are you a hospital which struggles to train its employees to understand importance of patient care? Or are you a medical institution where you often find things are haywire, resulting in losing patients and losing your customers forever? Or perhaps you might be a diagnostic chain who is struggling to reach out to your potential customers. Well, you could be any one of these, or you could be a mix of these. Hello there. My name is Ramnath Dixit. I'm a facilitator and founder at Squirrel Interventions and been in the training industry for close to 2 decades now. In my interactions with hospitals, diagnostic centers, and several other medical institutions, I often get to hear stories about non-performance, about lack of empathy towards patients, about lack of several other things which are required for quality healthcare services. So what do we do about it? Don't worry about it, because we bring you here an opportunity to ensure that you train your staff, your people, on all the necessary skills which prepare them towards providing excellence in patient service. We call it excellence in patient relationships. So what is excellence in patient relationship? It's a training program that addresses all the behavioral nuances related to enhancing and increasing patient care in your institution. For example, a lot of times you see that nurses, ward boys, even the administrative staff is not able to cope up to the requests that the patients make to them. What is necessary is the ability to communicate effectively and convincingly. And that's what we cover in this program called Excellence in Patient Relationship. You can call it EPR. So the EPR is a 1-day program that is packed with several areas related to communication, related to patient care, enhancing empathy towards your patients, handling crisis, and several other things which prepare your workforce to understand what is it that the patient and the patient's relatives require so that you can provide the best in quality healthcare services. Now, one might often wonder, how can all of this be covered in 1 day? So this program offers you a lot of flexibility. This program can be delivered as a 1-day module or perhaps even a 2-day module. But the important thing to notice here is that this program is not only restricted to the junior management, but it can be delivered to anybody in the hospital premises, right from the nurses to the top management. Everyone can be a part of this. So we take care of ensuring that everyone in your institution is at the same level, on the same page when it comes to offering quality patient healthcare services. So you can also involve your mid-management staff, where they can be trained about all the leadership traits which will ensure quality services. At the same time, they will also equip themselves in handling their responsibilities. They will get answers to how do they manage their teams to facilitate better and quality patient care. They will also understand when and how should they delegate their responsibilities so that they are free to take more strategic decisions. Similarly, we also work closely with the top management to help them decide and refine the vision and strategy of the hospital or the medical institution that they're in charge of. So all in all, there are different touch points that we cover. We look at all people in the organization and we work very closely with them to make things happen. So here is your golden opportunity to train your people, to help them become better and enhance their services. The healthcare industry has always been at the forefront of offering services, but the lack of training to our own people is what robs them of quality and excellence. So let's work towards it and get the ball rolling. I'm sure you will not only find the training useful, but it will be a stepping stone in taking your institution to the next level of excellence. Thank you so much for your time.